Good morning. I am going to, it's Friday, going to Angel's Attic. Look for, I don't know what, just look. I don't know if I mentioned that before, that I was looking for like fishing poles, fly rods, stuff like that, tackle, and I didn't see any. So I'm going to ask today. Going to the farmer's market at Golden Eagle RV to see if the eggs and hamburger or meat, they have all kinds of meat, are there. I need to move the chairs away from the van. And I need to go to the hardware store to get me some tomato steaks. Let me show you. I have not done a video on this. I'm going to do it right now. Alright. So, most of these plants, well, let me just show you. Hang on. They're growing good now. Some of them are still stunted. But I needed to get this greenhouse because there's deer that walk up here and all other kinds of wildlife. Hadn't seen any elk up here yet, but anyway. So I bought these grow bags, and my friend Cindy with the YouTube channel, My Simple Living Journey. Go check out her videos. I have a link in the description. She gave me all the vegetable plants that I have, except this jalapeno I bought at Walmart. But look at my tomatoes. My tomato plant is getting really big. This is a tomato plant. I forgot what kind this one is. A Cherokee purple, which I've never grown before. And so I need to go to the hardware store. I put a stick here for this one. The other day, it was just, the wind was just blowing it crazy. So I need to go get some kind of support for this. Got some more flowers. Here's some tomatoes on this one. Look at these tomatoes. What is this one I got? Black cherry tomato. So she gave me 2 trays of all these vegetables, and I went to go camp in the van. This is when, what, a month or so ago, and this is before I had the greenhouse, and I had them sitting. There was 2 flats with all the small containers sitting on that table right there. The table wasn't there. It was kind of like this. Anyway, I decided to come back early, and I didn't know why, because I was just like, I wanted to spend the night. But anyway, I did come back early, and it was a good thing I did, because the wind had knocked all my plants off onto the ground, and all the little plants were out of their little containers. I was like, oh my gosh. I was like, oh no, Cindy, I just ruined all your hard work. But anyway, I hurried up and put them back in the little containers, and they kind of were in shock for a week or 2. So I've had, like this one, well, let me tell you, they used to have all these little things in there, but when they fell out, they lost their little tags. So I don't know what this is or this. I think these are jalapenos. Don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Don't know. Oh no, this is a banana pepper, but it's just not doing anything. And this is a little watermelon. It's not really doing anything. I got one little tomato off this. This one's store-bought, but it's really not wanting to do anything either. It's just all my flowers have been male flowers. Yeah. So, male flowers, nothing. This is, I quit watering. These are radishes. I quit watering this because they were just not doing anything. This is a little jalapeno. And this is the only jalapeno that's growing really big, and it's in there with the flower. I'm not sure if that's right. I didn't have any more grow bags, I think, for this one and this one, so it just got stuck in the soil wherever it landed. These are some flowers. I got free seeds when I did that Baker's Creek order, so those are from free seeds. Of course, here's my geranium. I need to clean it up a little bit. I'll do that this afternoon because I got to get going. These are carrots. I quit watering these because they weren't doing anything. They just wouldn't grow. And I wanted to preserve the water for, like this. This was lettuce. It really didn't do anything either. I quit watering it. It's just kind of sitting there. But it gets watered when it rains. So I hadn't pulled them up. Anyway, my greenhouse has been doing marvelous. Yeah. It gets a lot of wear and tear with this wind. But we staked this. Cindy helped me stake this down. Here and here. This one I need to tighten. Sammy, she had the zoomies and she ran right through that and loosened it up. So I need to tighten that. But we have it tied there. We put pool noodles on that part of the equipment because when the wind blows, it blows it right into that. And why did I put it so close? Well, to block some of the wind, and really that was the only most level spot there was out here. All right, back to where I'm going. We are going to the Angel's Attic and to Farmer's Market. And then I need to go to the hardware, get the tomato steaks. Oh, and I might actually do a cook with me tonight. Following Deborah's live, and if that's the case, y'all already seen that. Because I don't know when this is going to go out. But, it's hot. And it's going to be a dessert one. If I can find the stuff at the store, then it's going to be a dessert. Yeah. Alright, should I go? Oh, I need to go to Farmer's Market last. Because I'll have eggs. Unless I bring them back. Guess I could do that. Before I go to Angel Fire. Yeah, I should probably do that. Alright, let's go. Sammy is staying with Deborah in the museum. I guess that's the fishing rods right there. Skis. Ski boat. Look at those prices. Ski boots, $2 a pair. Poles, $1. Snowboard, $2. Skis, $2. Wow, that's cheap. Backpacks. Golf clubs, $2 each. Oh gosh, walkers and crutches. I don't get no fishing poles. Well, I used to listen to the Jars of Clay. That's... It's a whole collection. I think I still have my collection. United States history, travel. Self-help. That's what I need, some self-help. Gardening. That's not all gardening. Oh. Self-help. Keeping life simple. Here's a book on the story of the DAR. Interesting. Well, I didn't find anything once again. I guess that's a good thing. I don't need anything, and I don't really want to haul anything back to my home base. Hey, this is super grow worm bedding. Interesting. Maybe we could start another worm farm. Alright. They only had one this size. They had like 7-foot tall ones. So, got this one. And since I don't kind of know what all those other plants are, I got this one. Could probably use it for something. And 2 of these. These I think are a little taller. I don't know. But, so, it's just a stake. They didn't even have any, like, wooden stakes. It was weird. And what else did I get? Some of this. The sturdy stretch tie, so I can tie the plants to it and it's soft. So, alright, let's go to the store. Ooh, they're starting to roast some chilies. Ooh, I wonder if they have any. Let's go see. Well, it's starting to sprinkle. anticipate that this early in the day, but it is starting to sprinkle, so I'm kind of ashamed to say how much I spent on turnovers, the pastries, but it is what it is. Yeah, $24. Oh, no, that's not right, because I bought 2 things of turkey for Sammy, so that's not right. Oh, that makes me feel better. And the turkey here is, I pay $1.98 at Walmart. Here it's $3.99. I think I might have said that before. Big difference. But I went to Taos last week. Yeah, it's raining. I was gonna stop up here at the greenhouse place to see if I could get, Deborah wants a saucer, like a clay saucer, and they didn't have one at the hardware store. They had hardly any pots or anything like that, the terracotta clay. So we'll see if I stop up here, because it's raining. Nice mountain rain. They're open. Hey, kitty. How you doing? Oh, that's big. These are plastic. So I went back and asked about how much that terracotta, that big saucer, is that what you call them, saucers? It's raining on my glasses. $69 for that clay thing. Yeah, so we ended up with the plastic one. Anyway, all right, I'm headed back to Eagle Nest. Gonna go to the farmer's market. It's almost noon. I think they stay up until 1 unless they sell out, or they might have closed if it's raining there. So I might be out of luck. Let's go.
No, it's all the same.
Sammy knows I'm back. She's barking. Let's see if she's gonna come out. She was barking. Come on, Sammy. I'm hot. Hi, baby. What you doing? What you doing, huh? What you doing? Come on, Finn. This is everything I got at the farmer's market. Got some ground beef. That was really good. I'm gonna make hamburgers with this again. Got 2 squash, 2 peppers, cucumber, 2 peaches, and eggs. Yeah, yum.